Number 1. 1966 Ford F100, price $8,950, featuring a turquoise exterior and matching turquoise interior. It's equipped with a manual transmission and powered by the original 352 V8 gasoline engine. The truck has been professionally maintained over the past 15 years and runs great. The body and paint are generally in good shape, with a few imperfections: a scratch on the rear passenger side, a dent in the hood, and small areas of rust on the rear tailgate and driver's side door. Recent maintenance includes a new starter, spark plugs, and battery. The original Ford hubcaps are still intact and in great condition. Minor issues include a passenger door that only opens from the inside, a loose driver's side window crank, and some oil and coolant leaks. Overall, it's a solid and mostly original example of a vintage Ford truck. Number 2. 1988 Dodge D100, price $9,700. This is a well-preserved classic with just 70,300 miles and zero rust. Finished in a rich brown exterior with a beige interior, it runs on gasoline and features an automatic transmission. Currently used as a daily driver, the truck has received numerous upgrades to enhance reliability and comfort. It sits on brand new tires and is equipped with a hands-free Apple AirPlay system, along with new front and rear speakers for an improved audio experience. Under the hood, it features a new Edelbrock air filter and fresh spark plugs, while the braking system has been updated with new brakes, rotors, and pads. The interior also sports new LED dashboard lighting, adding a modern touch. Well maintained and ready to drive, this Dodge D100 blends classic style with everyday functionality. Number 3. 1990 Ford Ranger, price $9,800. With just 60,950 miles on the odometer, it remains in outstanding condition both mechanically and cosmetically. Powered by a strong 2.9-liter V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, this Ranger delivers a smooth and reliable driving experience. Finished in a sleek black exterior with a clean gray interior, it retains many original features that make it stand out, including the iconic bullet hole wheels and factory-installed toolbox. It's also been tastefully upgraded with brand new Mastercraft Avenger G/T tires, diamond-plated running boards, and KC overhead fog lights that enhance both style and functionality. This truck doesn't just look the part, it runs great and drives beautifully, staying true to its classic roots while offering the dependability of a well-maintained vehicle. Number 4. 1985 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500. With 128,000 miles on the odometer, it has stood the test of time and still runs, drives, and stops reliably. It's powered by a 305 cubic inch V8 engine mated to a 700R4 automatic transmission, delivering smooth shifts and plenty of torque for cruising or light hauling. The truck features a striking blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior, giving it that timeless 80s charm. Inside, it has been refreshed with a brand new bench seat and a new dash cover, adding comfort and a clean look to the cabin. While it does have some rust in the typical areas expected for a vehicle of this era, it remains structurally solid and would make a great candidate for restoration or a reliable driver as is. This Chevy runs on gasoline and still holds its own on the road. Short bed models like this are getting increasingly rare, especially those that haven't been heavily modified or run into the ground. It's a perfect opportunity for someone who appreciates classic American trucks and wants to give this one the care and attention it deserves. Number 5. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,000, currently showing 138,700 miles on the odometer, with mileage expected to increase as it continues to be used regularly. Powered by a strong 350 small block V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it delivers classic performance through a rear-wheel drive setup. The vehicle features long tube headers and has been well maintained mechanically, with both hot and cold AC functioning properly. Finished in black with a well-preserved blue interior, the cabin reflects careful ownership and attention to detail over the years. Despite its age, the interior remains in excellent condition. However, there are a few cosmetic imperfections worth noting. The cab corners and rocker panels show signs of rust, and there's poor bodywork visible on the bed fenders. Additionally, the truck is currently fitted with a spare wheel. Overall, it's a solid and dependable truck, well cared for mechanically, making it a great option for someone looking for a classic workhorse or daily driver. Number 6. 1986 Ford F150, price $8,750. This is a dependable, well-maintained truck with 72,000 miles and a manual 4-speed transmission. Finished in white, it features a solid 4-wheel drive system and nearly new tires. Recent upgrades include a digital instrument panel, new rear bumper, trailer receiver, and a completely redone front end. Everything works great aside from the fuel gauge, which occasionally cuts out due to a loose connection at the tank, and the carburetor could use a minor adjustment. The automatic choke isn't perfect, but the truck always starts, pulls strong, and can cruise at 85 miles per hour. It's also wired for trailer brakes, making it ready for work or adventure. Number 7. 1994 Ford F150, price $5,500. This is a solid, low-mileage truck with just 83,900 miles. Finished in white with a blue interior, it features a 5.0L V8 engine, automatic transmission, and rear-wheel drive. The truck runs strong, with cold AC, hot heat, and plenty of power. It uses gasoline. A few items need attention. The PSOM, speedometer module, needs rebuilding due to a flashing VSS error, causing occasional overdrive issues. The radius arm bushings, included, need installation, and a new tailgate emblem is needed. There's also a minor oil leak to investigate and repair. The chrome window trim is included but needs clips to be reinstalled. Overall, it's a dependable, classic F-150 with minimal work needed to finish it off. Number 8. 1987 Dodge D150, price $9,800, finished in gold with a matching gold interior. It features an automatic transmission and is powered by a strong 318 V8 engine that runs and shifts smoothly. While the exact mileage is unknown, it's believed to have less than 100,000 miles on it. The truck is in great shape for its age, with no notable interior issues, and the factory air conditioning is still installed and working properly. The original wheels, trim rings, and center caps are included and are currently mounted on the truck. The listed price reflects the vehicle in this stock setup, not with the aftermarket spoke wheels or the pressurized gas tank that the owner had planned to use for a future EFI upgrade. It also still has what is believed to be the original radio. Number 9. 1990 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,000. This is a bold and road-ready short bed pickup, finished in a striking red exterior with a clean gray interior. It has been driven for 180,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Under the hood, it houses a strong V8 350 engine, ensuring reliable performance. The truck rides on impressive 26-inch wheels with good tires, and it also comes with 2 spare 26 wheels. Custom aftermarket lights have been installed all around, adding a modern touch to its classic look. Overall, it's a solid and stylish ride, ready to hit the road. Number 10. 1972 Ford F100, price $7,500, with 48,000 miles on the odometer. It features a green exterior and interior, an FE360 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and runs on gasoline. The engine is believed to have been rebuilt by a previous owner, though this hasn't been verified. It starts easily thanks to an upgraded HEI ignition and runs and drives well. Recent maintenance includes fresh oil, power steering fluid, radiator fluid, and service drum brakes all around. The cab mounts are new, and the tires are in excellent condition. Noted issues include non-working brake lights and turn signals, as well as peeling clear coat visible in photos. A solid, mostly original truck with great potential.